My name is Kevin Coons, and I'd like to introduce you to the Rocket Product Documentation Portal at docs.rocketsoftware.com. On this tile on the left side of the page, the landing page, you'll see a link to 5 different articles with videos that explain the features of the documentation portal. Today, I'd like to focus on the Uniface product library. And to get there, go to the top of the page, and on the library link, click Library. This will bring up a list of all of the publications found in the Rocket documentation portal. And in this filter publications field in the middle of the page, just type Uniface to see the Uniface documentation. Lists the PDFs. The main one is the Rocket Uniface Library 10.4. That will load the familiar content for the Rocket Uniface library. From here, you can of course, scroll down the table of contents on the left and select topics that you like, or you can search in the search documentation field at the top of the page, and the search is scoped for the Rocket Uniface library. If you start typing word that you're looking for, deploy, see all the topics related to that, click deploying applications is the one I want. From here, I can see that topic. I'll click it and it opens the library to that page for deploying applications. Here I can click on links in that content or go back to scroll down to see the related content underneath the library over here. If I go back up to the top, I can, on each page, have these controls. I could share this page with some people. Send them a link, an email, or I can click the feedback icon, which lets you give us feedback on what you like or don't like about this page. If there are any particular issues you want to send, something is missing, you don't understand it, something seems inaccurate, if you send us your email address, click send feedback, we'll get back to you as soon as we can. All of this content is publicly available, but I would encourage you to go up to the top and click Login. And if you don't already have an account, this is not single sign-on, so you have to create your own account. Click on Register and give your business email address, and then you can log in right away. It's self-registering. I'm going to go ahead and log in with my credentials. And you can see that when I log in, there are some additional features available on every page. This icon is for adding topics to your own personal collection, which you can see up at the top. It says My Topics. From here, you can click My Topics, and let's say I want to add this topic and all of the subtopics to my collection. I click that. Now I'm going to create a new collection for Uniface topics. Give it a name, Uniface Topics. I want to set this as my default because when I come back to any other topic, I click on that My Topics icon, and it'll add it to this collection of Uniface topics. Clicked Add to Collection, and now you can see it was added successfully. When I come up to the My Topics menu at the top of the page, there's my Uniface Topics. It has a star beside it because that's my default. I can expand and drill down into any of those topics. If I click on the vertical ellipsis here, I could share this content that I have in my collection with any other user who has registered in the Rocket documentation portal. We already have their email address. You type it in here, click Share Collection, and now they will get an email with a link to this collection, Uniface Topics. They can go to it and access the same content that you just added to your collection. Another feature is you can put a watch on this little eye icon here, lets you watch a particular topic for updates. So if we go back to the main documentation landing page for the library, this page is updated every release with the latest patch information. You have a add watch on this page, which I've already put a watch on it. I am registered for notification updates. Whenever this page is updated, it will push out an email to me letting me know the page has been updated. I can also unwatch it if you don't want to get those. But this is a good way to stay current on what's going on in the library. So these are the highlights of the features in the Rocket Uniface library. You can bookmark this and come back to it. And I encourage you to send us feedback and let us know what you think. Thank you.